In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update website on Wix Studio. If you've already built your site in Wix Studio and just need to push out changes, the process is quick and straightforward. First, head into the Wix Studio editor for your site. This is where all the work happens behind the scenes. Make your updates right there in the editor. Edit text to fix typos or refresh your copy. Swap images to keep things current. Adjust layouts to improve spacing and readability, or tweak design elements like colors and fonts to match your brand. As you work, remember that what you're seeing in the editor is a workspace version. None of these edits affect your live website until you choose to publish, so feel free to experiment and fine-tune. While you're in the editor, take a moment to scan through a few key areas. Look at different pages you've modified to ensure consistency in headings, buttons, and navigation. Test links within the editor to confirm they point where you expect. If your site serves visitors on phones and tablets, glance at the mobile and tablet views so your updates look great across devices. Small checks like alignment, spacing, and readability can make a big difference in how polished your site feels. When you're happy with your changes, it's time to push them live. Click the Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. That's the one action that turns your private edits into a public update on your live website. After clicking Publish, Wix Studio processes the changes and applies them to your live domain. This usually happens quickly. If you don't see the updates right away, give it a moment. Sometimes your browser may still be showing a cached version of the page, and a simple refresh will reveal the latest version. A quick note to keep in mind: publishing sends all current edits from the editor to your live site, not just the last thing you changed. So it's worth taking a final glance through the areas you touched before you publish. Think of Publish as your go-live moment. Simple, intentional, and reliable. And that's it. Update in the editor, then click Publish at the top right to make those updates live. It's a clean two-part flow that keeps your editing process safe and your site visitors seeing only what you're ready to share. If you keep this rhythm, edit confidently in the editor, then publish when you're satisfied, you'll keep your website fresh, accurate, and professional with minimal effort.